If you are stuck in the Play Store on the Motorola Moto G87 and you cannot download any apps whatsoever, then what you can do is, first of all, you can just completely turn the Play Store off. You want to force stop it probably as well. So you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the Play Store and go to App Info. And then over here we have the force stop button, so you can just select that, confirm by pressing on OK. And then we can proceed. Next, you want to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data. You want to make sure that both of them are off. And then you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, scroll down and search for System. And then in System, go to Date and Time. And you want to make sure that the date and time is set to automatic, just like the time zone. The time zone should be automatic as well. Once you enable automatic time zone and date and time, then you can turn Wi-Fi and mobile data back on. There we go. And then you can reopen the Play Store, and hopefully now you should be able to download apps from the Play Store. Leave a like and subscribe.